This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It is Wednesday, the 16th of May, and we've seen the markets pull back again overnight. In Europe, the FTSE was down 27.9 points, or 0.5%. We can see the downward shift through there, a continuation of the short-term trend. The German DAX was down 50 points, or 0.79%. It is now really starting to test these previous lows. It hasn't quite closed confidently at a new short-term low, but it is in a downwards trend, so one would expect that this will continue on the downside. And in France, the CAC 40 lost 18.7 points, or 0.6%, and we can clearly see a break of recent short-term lows there. So Europe was down quite heavily. It had been up slightly in pre-market activity, was positive in the morning sessions, and then lost all of its momentum through to the end of the day. In the US, it was a very similar story. We had a positive start to the day with the Dow futures up about 35 points pre-market. It remained positive through most of the day until the last hour and a half. We can see that that has resulted in another downwards day with the Dow down 63 points, or 0.5%. The Nasdaq has underperformed that movement. It's only lost 8.8 points, or 0.3%, and that is ahead of the Facebook IPO, or initial public offering, where Facebook will be listing on the stock exchange very soon. Speculation that that will actually be this week, possibly in the next couple of days. The S&P 500, it also lost 7.7 points, or 0.57%, and we can see that that is continuing on the short side. It has broken through the support level. At Daily Wealth Report, we'll be looking at protection strategies for portfolio investments and pricing that up today. As we look a little closer to home, the ASX 200, it was testing long-term lows. Remember, we have been discussing a support level at 42.50. It didn't quite get that low yesterday. It only got down to 4251 before rebounding, and late in the session ending up closing at 4266. We've got the SPY futures down today at 32 points, so that means the ASX 200 will be testing that 42.50 level today. So we could see a confident break of that support. If the sellers hold that below 42.50, then we have a break of the support level and a potential to be trading down to around about 41.50, 4100. Now finally, the VIX index volatility spiked up quite strongly overnight. We can see the VIX has broken up through its previous highs, is now trading around $22, and expectations are that this will continue to trend upwards, so there may be opportunities there for you to trade the VIX. Thank you very much for tuning in today. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow. Happy trading.